Hey there! In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use the debt-free blueprint template. Step by step, we're going to start on the Setup tab. This is where you enter all of your debts: credit cards, student loans, car payments, medical bills, whatever you're carrying. For each one, you type in the name, the current balance, the interest rate, and your minimum monthly payment. We'll use an example. Say you've got a Chase Visa at $3,200 with a 19.9% rate, a car loan at $12,000 at 5.5%, and a student loan at $8,500 at 6.8%. Just fill in each row and the template handles the rest. Now let's look at the Snowball tab. This is your first payoff strategy, and it's all about building momentum. The Snowball Method lines up your debts from smallest balance to largest, so you knock out the little ones first. Every time you pay off a debt, that freed up payment rolls into the next one like a snowball getting bigger. You see debts disappearing fast, which keeps you motivated even if it costs a bit more in interest over time. Next up is the Avalanche tab. This one takes the opposite approach. It sorts your debts by interest rate from highest to lowest. Mathematically, this saves you the most money because you're attacking the most expensive debt first. If you're the type who wants to optimize every dollar, the Avalanche method is your best friend. Here's where it gets interesting: the Compare tab. This view puts Snowball and Avalanche side by side so you can see exactly how they stack up. You'll see total interest paid under each method, how many months each one takes, and the difference in cost. In our example, the Avalanche method might save you a few $100s overall, but the Snowball method gets you that first win a couple of months sooner. It's a personal trade-off, and this tab makes the choice crystal clear. Now let's head over to the payment log. This is your real-world tracker where you record actual payments as you make them. Log the date, which debt you paid, and how much you sent. It keeps a running total so you can compare your progress against the plan. Think of it as your accountability partner built right into the spreadsheet. Next up is the What If tab. This lets you model different scenarios to see how they change your timeline. What if you found an extra $200 a month to throw at your debt? What if you got a tax refund and made a one-time payment of $1,000? Plug in the numbers and instantly see how it affects your payoff date. Even small extra payments can shave months off your journey, and this tab shows you exactly how much. And finally, the dashboard. This is your big picture command center. Right at the top, you'll see your total debt, your combined monthly payment, and your projected debt-free date. Charts show your balances dropping over time and break down how much goes toward principal versus interest each month. Every time you open this spreadsheet, the dashboard reminds you exactly where you stand and how close you are to the finish line. Get the debt-free blueprint template today. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy getting debt-free.